Bullish ARK cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.53 and $2.88 by 2030. Market examiners accept ARK could reach $1.19 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2023 is 27 cents. ARK presentation. ARK means to make the most common way of making a blockchain simpler for people who believe that should do as such with the assistance of its environment. Clients can modify different components, including charges, money, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential cache interfacing this large number of created networks together is called ARK. The ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late, regardless of having an overflow of use cases. We should get familiar with ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward hop into its cost expectation. What is ARK? Engineers can construct their own blockchain utilizing the ARK biological system. Interoperability, layouts, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own venture on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while chasing after a blockchain venture might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as straightforward as could really be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the environment's essential programming dialects. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin a designer's blockchain. Information handles that can be tweaked incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Designers can coordinate their groups utilizing the instrument's administration framework. The ARK Programming Improvement Unit, which gives additional customization choices including money determination, is one of the designer devices accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The environment's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. For the most part, network clients and designers use it as a speedy and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. ARK Major Investigation. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then. Notwithstanding the underlying absence of movement, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest leap forward. Starting in December, the second cycle of ARK was delivered, and thus, its base cost esteem soar. That very day, its wallet was likewise refreshed, upgrading the representative democratic UI. It couldn't keep up with this most extreme cost level, however, and during the next months it fell abruptly. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had fundamentally declined from $1 shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its ensuing bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged underneath past normal costs. Jerk's coordination of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it feasible for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK. The biological system likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its most exorbitant cost ascend to $3.98. Sometime thereafter in September, ARK again moved toward that level. The organization's third form went live. This overhaul improved the environment's apparatuses, foundation, and numerous different highlights. It saw one more convention in 2022 as another update to Form 3 went live, which fixed messes with and further developed security. ARK topped at a most extreme worth of $1.67 then. At that point, it has since fallen and is exchanging at any rate cost of 77 cents. ARK Specialized Examination. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for ARK. As per wallet investors' value projection of the ARK coin, it is an astonishing speculation that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK cryptographic money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years, the ARK cost gauge is at a greatest cost worth of $21. Price Prediction made a comparative estimate, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the greatest cost of ARK money will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK current cost. ARK is right now worth 33 cents USD. ARK has moved 0.09% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,990,254. ARK is right now positioned 362 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $54,526,302 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for ARK to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous ARK market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. ARK Value Expectation 2023. ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ARK cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 50 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 47 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of 40 cents. ARK Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform 84 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ARK's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 67 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 74 cents. ARK Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.19 and ARK might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.09 and a low of $1.02 in 2025. ARK Value Expectation 2026. Assuming ARK effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2026. The ARK is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.53, with a base cost of $1.36 and a typical cost of $1.42. ARK Value Forecast 2027. After some broad guaching and specialized examination, we gauge the ARK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.76 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.70 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ARK has a most extreme value worth of $1.87. ARK Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.10. In the event that ARK figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.20. Neglecting to assemble the help ARK needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.03. ARK Value Expectation 2029. While ARK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.37 and a yearly cost close above $2.54 in 2029. ARK Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, ARK will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.71 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.88, averaging out at $2.78. ARK Value Expectation 2031.